Hello, District 17. I'm Ayush Sridhar.
And I am Abdulhanan Mohammed.
I'm Anay Joshi.
And I'm Andrew Japadia.
And this is our intelligent application, Smartbell. So what is the purpose? The purpose of this application is to provide a low-cost yet highly efficient surveillance detection system meant for everyday use and user safety.
Who is our target audience? The application is intended for those who may not be able to afford complex front door detection and surveillance systems such as Ring, which can cost up to $300 yet would like to keep their belongings and loved ones safe. We leverage machine learning and computer vision to provide three main functionalities in this application: face detection, weapon suspicious activity detection, and simple motion detection.
Our application was created in Python using a multitude of libraries such as TensorFlow, which we use for machine learning. For live camera streaming and drawing, we use OpenCV, a machine learning and computer vision library. To train the models and detect objects, we used a pre-trained neural network known as DarkNet, along with YOLO V3, which is an algorithm that detects objects using the weights file that we train with hundreds of images of weapons and faces for the weapon detection and face detection. Our backend uses a Flash framework, which streams the webcam frame by frame and handles login registration. We pair this with the MySQL database to store contact info upon registration. And finally, our frontend consists of HTML, CSS, and JS. To send the SMS alerts when motion is detected, we use a Twilio API. And that's it. As you can see, it's detecting motion. Along with that, it's also detecting my face if I get into the frame and it says Rayon. And I also have a knife here. And soon it's gonna start sending alerts to my phone. And for that, we're gonna have to switch to a mobile camera. And then after that, we're also gonna show how the stream works and how you can check your stream when motion is detected and the alert happens.
To make this application scalable, when the user logs in and registers, we'll have a place for them to upload images or a system for them to upload images. And we would use this to train our system so it would work on a wider variety of people in the future.
Just triggered the three models: the facial detection, the motion detection, and the weapon detection model by standing in front of the camera with a knife. So we're expecting a notification from the Twilio API. And we just got a notification. And we got a text message for each of the models that were triggered. So we got a motion detection message and a armed detection message, which was triggered by the weapons API, or the weapons model. And we also got the face detection from Rayon because his image was trained in the model.
So now our stream's running on the computer, but now to check the stream on our phone, we simply go to the same URL and then we go to control room. And now we should be able to see what's going on in the stream on our phone. And you can actually see that, yeah. So this is the stream that's going on our phone. It's a little laggy because of the streaming service that we're using, but in the future, we're going to be using a faster one. But if I go around here and I wave my hands, you'll be able to see it soon enough.
Yeah, so we can see his hands starting to move.
So this really just serves the purpose of seeing who's in